Wherever I go, there I am. I walk this life in empty spaces, between life and death, a pathway on the low road, longing for the high road where I am able to see the other side of the mountain, where the grass is greener and hills roll forever into the horizon. I see things, trees, flowers, rocks, animals, and people. I feel the wind on my back and fresh fallen leaves in my hair. I smell the honeysuckle lilacs that bring back memories of childlike giggles and trails where only children's feet trod. I feel alive in these places, but only creating these spaces within a mind and a heart born into a world of conformity. I struggle daily, each minute, each second, to know my reality and live it, while the world around me has trillions of its own plans to discredit every dream I wish to partake in. Strength I don't have, but sheer will and desire to be and know that what I perceive becomes my reality. All of it. Only empty spaces where I step, creating my own unique footprint on a land made only to serve a perception of servitude to the natural senses of a human body. Cascading thoughts and emotions I juggle daily, like a clown in a 3-ring circus, which ones do I hold on to? And which ones will drive me mad like the Mad Hatter or an empty shell trapped in a white padded room where true comfort will never be known again? Only the identification of a psychotic soul destined for nothingness in a world that deems beauty and greatness that is only skin deep or carries a certificate of aptitude to show to the world. I'm no one special. As I lay here staring at a white wall, where flecks of paint peel and fall to the floor like snowflakes in the cold of winter, resting in mounds of white pillows and cold forgotten burrows, where small furry animals dwell. I long to peer my head out from these confining spaces that is really no space at all for free souls that long to be anything and everything beautiful. But there's no room for that here. Only the ever-encompassing law and order of the land, created by souls that claim to own it. And if the land is owned, so are the people. So where is true freedom? Not here, not outside. Only within the mind of the being who is sovereign and cannot be owned. Here is the true kingdom and greener pastures. Here is where empty spaces can be filled with the invisible heaven of imagination and glory. Only true life is built in these spaces, where real life is never empty, and empty spaces are only found when we are unable to perceive that anything and everything is possible. And the soul that chooses true life over material matter and the physical nature of this reality. The soul is willing, the flesh is weak, but the knowing is upon me, and I cannot falter this time. Freedom always comes no matter what the circumstances appear to be, whether in this life or the next.